want tonight to speak?
Oh, yes, absolutely. No, Mr. Brady, I was on the floor. Sorry about that. And we'll make copies for all the members. Thank you. Good morning.
Joyce and I want to thank you for putting the move on hold, but we would like to ask a question of you, the board, and Ray Roden. Have any of you received any form of communication from Alley Cat Allies, the ASPCA, the neighborhood cats, strongly encouraging the town board to reconsider its decision to relocate the colony at Newbridge Road Park?
Commissioner?
Right now, we're just doing some more investigation and right from the Humane Society.
I'm asking about neighborhood cats, not about the Humane Society. I'm asking about neighborhood cats, Alley Cats Allies, and the ASPCA specifically. Have you received any communication from any of those agencies? I'm asking that question.
Yeah, we've received correspondence from the ASPCA, the Humane Society of the United States. We've been in contact with the Humane Society of the United States a week ago, or more than a week ago. Again, we reached out yesterday, and we're working collaboratively with them to explore any potential other alternatives and remedies to to address the feral cat habitat. And until we receive all their recommendations, their analysis, the cats will be moved from the habitat. And the input of the HSUS, we worked with them before very closely. But in answer to your question, we've spoken to them, we've had communication from them, we've had communication from the ASPCA, and we work regularly with them as well, specifically with Jill Van Kyle, and hopefully that answers your question.
Well, it really doesn't, because I asked you about Alley Cats Allies and neighborhood cats also.
Yeah, I think we may have received a letter from them as well, yes.
Because they all seem to be on the same page when it comes to moving to the colony, and I just want to make sure that the Humane Society isn't the only one that's going to be, I know you reached out to them, and they're great, but the other groups are just as important, and all of them seem to say the same thing, so I hope in the end. And the other thing is that I asked various groups if they were going to do site inspections, and to this date, I don't know that anybody has made any plans for a site inspection. Do you know anything about that?
What groups are you referring to?
All of them, all four that have been talked about, the HSUS, Alley Cats Allies, Neighborhood Cats, and the ASPCA. Nobody seems to have done a site inspection, and I think that's pretty important in this issue.
Yeah, incidentally, that wouldn't be our decision, it would be the decision of the various groups. Although we have consulted with HSUS and have invited a site inspection or requested a site inspection, and they indicated that that is one of the things that they believe they will be doing.
Okay, that's great, because they said, one of the groups, at least one of the groups told me that they have to have an invitation from you to do that. So I don't remember which one of them, I was. I mean, I have spoken. I think it would be great. Joyce and I would like to be there, if it could be possible.
Work with the group, work with the group.
Okay, that's terrific.
The public park people come in and out all day.
I know, but I mean, if they have an appointment with you, I would like to, if they make an appointment, they make it seem as though the town has to invite them to come down to the park.
Well, that's news to us.
Oh, okay. Okay.
People walk in and out of our park.
Well, this is for an inspection. This isn't just for.
Again, we don't ask people why they're coming to the park. So, if they had shown up to take a look at the colony.
Yep.
Well, I'm just thinking that if you're interested in finding out how they feel about it, you'd want to know if they're there to do the site inspection.
All they have to do is reach out and say, hey, we'd like to come, Tuesday, next Tuesday's for me, for us. Great.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.